Apologies. Let me just stop the share. My apologies. All right. Can you see my slide now?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Good evening, everyone. So tonight we are going to learn about the queens today. So very, very important for us who are already like this. This will be for the mature consumers that we will have tonight. So I will be presenting to you about Sophora Queen and the Atomy Rhubarb Queen. So if you can have a look in here, I'm sure you have, I think we are mostly women here. So, we all know about menopause, and we each have our own experiences with regards to menopause. And I, for one, has had a very early menopause. And so these two products I'm really excited to talk about because I'm actually using these products. And one of them really worked well for me. So what is menopause? So we all know about it. So menopause. So the word menopause comes from the Greek word which is poses, which means pause, and men, Greek word as well, which means month. So basically, menopause is like it's a natural and permanent cessation. So it's the stopping of the menses or the menstruation, resulting from estrogen deficiency. That is not associated with a pathologic process. So it is a normal condition involving the permanent end of the menstrual cycles due to the cessation of the production of reproductive hormones from the ovaries for at least 12 consecutive months. So, if you notice here, gang, it's the first character of the Korean word for menopause, means again, to change and to become new. So menopause in women can be a time of many changes, and it is an important time for us to look forward to for the rest of our lives. So from adolescence to adulthood to menopause. So this is like when we have, it starts from adolescent where we have our menstruation, to adulthood, to menopause, and then in old age. According to research, we spend a third of our life in menopause. So which is quite, it's not scary, but it is a reality that a third of our life is actually spent with the menopause. So why the importance of premenopausal care? As you all know, when we lose estrogen, a lot of our bodies, there's a lot of hormonal changes that happens. So I will show you later on about what are the symptoms of menopause, which is really for it varies on every person, but it can be very not debilitating to every woman who to a person who experiences a lot of menopausal symptoms. So if you notice here, when once menopause starts, there is a rapid decrease of female hormones. So it brings about a lot of not disorders, but like the vasomotor. So it affects a lot of things in our body, like our psychological, mental symptoms. It has skin atrophy. It creates urogenital symptoms. It also causes osteoporosis. We are at risk of arteriosclerosis as well. So that's why when we are at our premenopausal stage already, we have to look after ourselves. Usually occurs between the age of 45 to 55, but others already experience early menopausal, which sometimes starts at 40 years old. So we use this index. This is created by Dr. Kupperman, which is a former professor at New York University School of Medicine. And this is like a self-check, which is really widely accepted in the academic community. So this is like an index to monitor for menopausal symptoms. So there's a score there from mild, moderate to severe. So the first, so there's 11, they've categorized it to 11 symptoms. We've got the flushing, the burning face, the sweating, insomnia, nervousness, depression. So those 11 things, you actually grade it depending on what the severity of your symptoms are. And you add your score. So, and then when you are over 35, that means your menopausal symptoms are really, really severe. So this is really a good guide especially for our consumers who are already on this stage, on the menopausal stage. So you can actually give this to them and share it to them, like how bad or how severe are their symptoms of signs and symptoms of menopause. So Atomy has launched Sephora Queen, which is the first one that is launched in the mall. So what is Sephora Queen? So Sephora Queen is created for well-being. It's for women's well-being, wellness as well. And it has this four, it compasses this four the functions, not the functions, but it has this four I'm four of the not functions, but it explains about the four. You know what? I'm lost. I'm really sorry. So it has these four things that is explained about Sephora. What are the benefits of it? So Sephora Queen comes from the Sephora japonica fruit extract, which helps with the menopausal women's health. And it has 6 functionality, which I will show you later, which has got 6 formulas that has been added onto. That has the functionality of what they have added onto the Sephora. And it has carefully selected supplementary ingredients as well. That I will show you later. So it is a very small size capsule, which is very easy to swallow. So the 6-layer complex of the consists of these functional ingredients, which is really good for our bone health and also circulation. So the first one is it contains the Sephora japonica fruit extract, which is also known as the pagoda tree extract. It comes from the pagoda tree extract, which helps with the menopausal women's health. And then it also contains the gamma linolenic acid, which helps improve blood cholesterol and blood circulation. And it also contains soy isoflavones, which is really very good for bone health. Aside from that, they have added in vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So as we know, vitamin D is really good for our bones. It helps absorb calcium, the phosphorus, and it reduces the risk of osteoporosis as well. Vitamin E is very necessary as an antioxidant because it protects the cells from the free radicals. So this is also very important in our health, women's health. And vitamin K is necessary which is responsible for the normal blood clotting and also bone composition. So the Sophora japonica fruit extract, or what we call the pagoda tree extract, it contains a functional ingredient which is called the sophoricoside, which helps to improve the health of menopausal women. So it contains a high level of sophoricoside, which are known to have very strong physiological activity. The Sophora is reported to positively affect menopausal symptoms, including the osteoporotic complications. So it supports menopausal women with its phytoestrogen supplement properties, and it promotes physical comfort and mood balance as well. So as I've mentioned, it really helps to support osteoporosis and strengthen the bone. And this is just a study that was done during a result of the human application using the Sophora japonica extract for menopausal women, which was between the age of 40 to 60. So they used the Copperman index, and they have for intake of 12 weeks, there was the index result of there was a significant reduction in the study of the menopausal symptoms of women using the control group. So it has 6 carefully selected ingredients. So I'm sure you're very familiar with some of them. We've got the Angelica gigas, which is in our Himuhim, isn't it? So as you all know, our Angelica gigas, which is the superfood, this is always traditionally used to treat the irregular menstrual flow and menopausal symptoms due to its estrogenic activity. So its effects may be comparable to that of the HRT. So as you know, this is also found in our Himuhim. And then we've got the ginkgo leaf extract. So the ginkgo leaf extract is also used as alternative or complementary therapy by post-menopausal women. And this helps to improve mood, the hot flashes, and also cognitive symptoms. And the safflower seed, it helps with inflammation, so particularly with diabetes and heart diseases. So as we all know, one of the symptoms as well when we have low estrogen is the risk of arteriosclerosis. So safflower seed oil is really helpful with that. Then we have the pomegranate extract. So we all know about the pomegranate, because we also have that, which really improves the hot flashes severity and obviously the menopause symptoms. Because the pomegranate, as we know, it is a natural adaptogen. If the pomegranate is a natural adaptogen, so it increases the levels of estrogen. So if the body is low, the pomegranate helps to increase it. But if the estrogen is high, it also blocks it so that it will not be too high as well. So that's one of the function of the pomegranate. And then we've got the milk protein hydrolysate, so which are really very important building blocks for muscle growth and repair. So as we know, as we age, we our muscles. So we have like the muscle wasting as we grow older, isn't it? And also, so this one helps with the repair and the muscle growth because this milk protein is actually high in amino acids, which help reduce muscle damage during, especially during when, like, if you really do a lot of exercises. So it helps that muscle to really reduce muscle damage and also improve recovery as well. And then the reed root extract, really good, traditionally used for digestive problems. So um, as I have mentioned earlier, going back to the slides of the 11 signs and symptoms of menopause. So there's loads there. So each of these selected ingredients really has different functions, which really creates the Sephora Queen and really makes it very effective. Um, it comes in a mini-sized capsule that are very easy to swallow. So it's very handy. It comes in a packet. So this is what you're gonna find here. That's how the Sephora looks. So who would we recommend Sephora Queen? So this is really good for women, for those who need management of menopause and menopause due to decline in the female hormones. Those who want to manage bone health, um, especially as we grow older, we all know about our risk of osteoporosis and all that things. And also those who want to manage menopause in advance. So actually, Sephora Queen, you can actually start already at the age of 30. That was one of the, when I read through the I was doing the research, it was mentioned that even at 30, you can already start using the Sephora Queen, because this is when our estrogen level in our body starts to decline. So this Sephora Queen really helps to manage the menopause symptoms in advance. And also those who want to improve the blood cholesterol and blood circulation. So this is really good for that. And those who want to have a happy married life and a healthy social lifestyle. So use this with caution, especially those individuals that may experience the side effects. Obviously, this is not really recommended for the infants, children, pregnant women, lactating women as well, are advised to avoid this consumption. Those who are allergic to soybeans, because this one contains soy, which is the isoflavones. So use this always with caution. And those who are also sensitive to the hormone estrogen, should probably avoid or use this with caution. Sephora Queen. So these are the, it comes in 120. So in a box, there's 120 soft gels of Sephora Queen. And these are all the ingredients it contains. So you have, it has been really specified that it contains soybean, milk, and gelatin. So you have to really emphasize for those consumers that are allergic to this. So you take 2 soft gels twice daily with water. And always store this in a cool, dry place. And obviously away from children and direct sunlight as well. So Sephora Queen is available already at Jimall. So it's also available in Korea and also available now in at Jimall. So it's not available as yet in the UK mall, but you can get this in the at Jimall already. So that is the Sephora Queen. And this is actually the first product that I used when I learned about, because I suffer from early menopausal symptoms at the age of 42. So when I started, I started really quite young, and I had loads of really like very severe symptoms. I had very severe hot flashes. I scored myself and I was like 38. So this Sephora Queen actually really helped me because I suffered from very severe hot flashes. I had insomnia. I can't sleep at night. I have disturbed sleep because sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night because my face is it just feels like it's burning. Um, I suffer from I'm starting to gain weight. I can never lose weight. Um, so there's loads of things. But when I started Sephora Queen, um, believe me, my insomnia was gone. My hot flashes is gone. Um, so even when I started with just one, because I don't know how I will react, I started with one. Even after 3 days of taking it with just one, I started with just one a day. The first thing that I noticed was the hot flashes and the insomnia. I was able to really have a good sleep, and the hot flashes has really reduced, significantly reduced. So that is your Sephora Queen. And Atomy, our researchers always um, they always make researches to upgrade um, our supplements. So they have produced this they have released this Atomy Rhubarb Queen. That was when it was actually launched when we were in Korea last year in November. So this is the product that was introduced during the Success Academy in Korea when we were there last year. So um I don't know who uses this. Has anybody tried this one? So if you notice, this comes in a very tiny bottle. It's like the bottle of the biotin. So it's like that, and it comes in with 30 capsules as well. So with if you go into research um, about menopause, you will find that if you search what is good for the menopause, the one thing that you will notice the most is when it comes to like herbal medications, herbal supplementation. This is this one. It's the rhubarb root extract. So this is the one thing that you will really see on the top list, the raponticin, because this is really good. It went all the way back in history as a very good functional ingredient, good for the menopause. So checkpoints for the rhubarb queen. So this is it contains the raponticin, which is the rhubarb root extract, which is actually individually recognized by the MFDS. So it uses 100% plant-based ingredients, which is also certified as V-Label vegan. I will show you later what V-Label vegan is. And it is made, the method that is used, they applied a low temperature percolation patented extraction. And it has these three functional ingredients, the raponticin, the vitamin K, and the vitamin, which I have mentioned earlier as well, which is also in Sephora Queen. And it also has that 4 selected supplementary ingredients that was made together with the rhubarb. And the same, it is a mini capsule that's very easy to swallow. So what is raponticin? So these are actually this compound bind to the beneficial. So you will hear when you do your research, you will hear like the estrogen receptor, which is the beta receptor. That's the one that they really target, because this compound, it binds to that estrogen receptor, which is the beta receptor, which is more predominant in our skin, in the brain, in heart, and other body areas that suffer during the menopausal estrogen decline. So this is the one that really targets all of that, the beta receptor of the estrogen. So rhubarb root extract is a red vegetable, so used in many different foods in the West. So as I've mentioned, it is very rich in rapamycin, which is really beneficial for the menopause. So if you notice here, Germany has been using it for over 70 years. So it is a safe ingredient that they have actually recognized and released in Germany and used, safe to use as well, and approved in America by US Food and Drug, and also in Korea, in Canada as well, which has been registered as NHP by the Health Canada. So this is what it looks like, the rhubarb queen. So it's like a capsule, and it contains 2.52 milligrams of rapamycin. So it is registered as a health functional food, which is very safe to use for a long period. So if you notice, for those who have, who has who are using HRT, you know, like when it's very common here, like for those women that have started menopausal symptoms that are really severe, they are started on HRT. But with HRT therapy, it's not recommended for a long period of time, but with rhubarb root extract, it is safe for use for a long period. So the three functions, as I've mentioned, with the rapamycin, and it's also got the vitamin K and the vitamin E. So it's really good for our blood clotting and bone formation. And the vitamin A, which is an antioxidant, which is really helps our cells protect our cells from the free radicals. It also has it's not mentioned here, but it also contains like the vitamin D, which helps with the absorption as well. So aside from that, there's four supplementary ingredients that are combined together with rapamycin, which is the lactic acid bacteria. So with the lactic acid bacteria fermentation extract, this is actually like those are likened like for particularly those with like the probiotics, which are very effective in relieving complex menopausal disorders. So like the allergies, depression, bloating. So those are some symptoms of menopause. So this is really good for that, which is the lactic acid. And it also is a great source of vitamin K, which is really very essential for the heart and bone health. Lavender, the lavender. So if the health benefits of lavender, it has a balancing effect on the reproductive system, which can help alleviate mood swings. So if you notice, like women or anybody, they always recommend to have like lavender oil on their bedside to help them with even like sleeping. It helps that one because it helps with the mood as well with the lavender. Saffron extract. Extract is actually um, it has positive effects on the psychological symptoms associated with menopause. So this is called like a mood enhancing. It has a mood enhancing effect and relaxation effect as well. And lichen extract is actually used mainly for it's more on the obstetric and gynecologic concerns, which is really good for that one. So I've mentioned earlier, how is the rhubarb um, made, or what is the method of the extraction. So rhubarb is grown for more than 3 years in Siberia, and it's extracted for over 120 hours using the low temperature percolation process. So this is how it is being made. So it undergoes through the extraction, and then they filter it and dry it, and then they do the grinding, and then they individually put put it in the capsule. So that is how the process is of the rhubarb queen. So rhubarb queen has actually been tested for and I will show you later. They have tested it with humans. And this is what we call the menopause rating scale, or the menopause specific quality of life questionnaire. So it has these emojis that you can see. It has 11 indicators, which is the same as the Copperman index. It has got these hot flashes, the moodiness, the urine symptoms, palpitations in the chest, so psychological as well, like the depression, insomnia, and obviously like the vaginal dryness, which is also very common in menopause. So this is the tool that they used when they tested it for the humans. And these are just some of the results of the test subjects between aged 45 to 55. So there is a significant improvement in after consuming rhubarb extract for 12 weeks. So if you notice here, so that's the one. They have like a control placebo group. They have a control group, and then they have the rhubarb group as well. So this is what they have done. So with regards to the hot flashes, so this is how this is what they have found out. They have confirmed improvement in hot flash frequency. So after day 84, if you notice here, that's where the rhubarb root extract is. After day 84, there is that significant drop of the hot flashes, unlike the placebo, where it's still very, some still has got the hot flashes, and some is just plateauing or remaining the same. So there is that significant change after consuming it for 12 weeks. And this is the same. They test this for depression related index. So this is for, for the low in mood, for those who were suffering from depression. This is also, if you notice, they use the placebo effect as well, a control group, and also the rhubarb group as well for 12 weeks. And they have noticed significant change with regards to the depression, like if you see physical anxiety and mental anxiety. So the one on, the one that's going down, that is the one that has been using the rhubarb extract, compared to the control group, which remained the same. So I mentioned about the V label vegan. So this has been certified. So it was given a V label vegan certification. So this V label vegan certification is developed by the Italian Vegetarian Association. It's only given is given only to products that do not utilize genetically modified organisms or animal-based or animal-derived ingredients. So this is really good for, for those consumers that are they said they're vegan or they are vegetarian. And it is very easy to swallow. So the one good thing with this is you only take one mini capsule a day, compared to the Sephora Queen, which you take 4 a day, which is very easy to swallow. And it's also it comes in a very small container, like a biotin container as well. So this is recommended for those who want to take care of their health as they age. So those consumers who are maturing, those who need menopause and perimenopause care due to reduced hormones, those who want to proactively manage their menopausal health. So as I've mentioned earlier, they can start as early as 30 as well, to sort of it's more like a preventative, on the preventative side of it. And also those who want to maintain a healthy life, and especially those who want to improve physical and psychological changes caused by menopause. So it comes in 30 capsules in one bottle. And this also contains soy. So you have to educate your partners, those who are allergic to soy products needs take this with caution. So it's 1 capsule a day with water. And that's the nutritional facts, which is one recommended daily serving 1 capsule a day. And it is also available at Gmall. So you can, if you don't know how to order it at Gmall, you can also ask your sponsors to help you how to order the products at Gmall. So there's been a lot that has actually asked, like, so which one is better, the Sephora Queen or the Rhubarb Queen? So from what I have gathered, the information I've gathered, it is actually, there's no research that say this one is better than the other. So it is more on the how the consumers respond to the product, and also the how the because with Sephora Queen, you take 4 in a day, so you take 2 morning and 2 evening. Unlike Rhubarb Queen, you only take it 1 a day. So for those who are not really keen on taking tablets, the others would prefer the Rhubarb because it's just once a day. And also it is very handy to carry with you wherever you go, because it just comes in a small bottle. Unlike the Sephora, although it is also very handy, but because you have the packet, but you have to bring a lot of it. So for it will be like a consumer based, like what the what it's like a preference, but it's more on how the consumer has benefited for each of these product. Because for me personally, I've actually tried the two, but I prefer, from what I have noticed with my symptoms, I have benefited more with Sephora Queen, because with Sephora Queen, almost all of my menopausal symptoms is actually very, very controlled. Unlike Rhubarb Queen, I had a Rhubarb Queen for 20 days now. I started it. So I stopped my Sephora Queen and I started the Rhubarb Queen. But although it haven't been like 12 weeks as yet, but I just find that Sephora Queen is working quicker. It has got a quicker effect on me than the Rhubarb Queen. So so this will be consumer preference as to how they have benefited from each product. And that's it. And that's for the two. Thank you.
Thank you, Diamond Master Giovanni. That was a very informative product for everyone. I have a question, I think from Rita. She asked whether you can take the 2 tablets together.
What do you mean, the Sephora and the rhubarb
Yeah,
together?
yeah.
I, I for me, you either take what the Sephora or the rhubarb. I don't think I haven't really encountered that one in my when I did my research. But for me personally, you either take the Sephora or the rhubarb queen, not mixing it together.
Maybe the effect will be too much for one. You know, one is probably have a good effect, or you could try one product at a time, which one suits you, I think, not together. Right. May I ask anybody who have experience taking these 2 supplements that have help improve your health? I think mostly of us here are women. I think. Oh, Eric is not here. I think we are all women, and some are young, some are on the menopause stage, some are past the menopause stage. I don't know. So anybody who wants to share their experience with these 2 products, you are very welcome to just say something. Ruby, I have a raise. Ruby,
Hi,
hi.
can you hear
Yeah,
me clearly?
yeah, thank you.
So I would like to share I'm using Atomy Rhubarb Queen. So I'm not in a menopausal age, but a year ago I experienced PMS. So it's declared by the doctor. It's not coming from me. From the beginning, I don't know what is PMS. I don't know what is PMS symptom was, but experiencing mood swing to the point that I have a really bad tantrum. That and I recognize it so early that that was not me. Like every 1 week before period, I experience very bad sleeping cycle, like every night, and I don't have that before. I think they said it's you will experience that in the mid 30. So I went to the doctor. I want to have like a sleeping pill just to help me sleep on that 2 weeks period. I really struggled to sleep, and it's repeating again and again. And I didn't know what it was. I thought maybe I ate too much caffeine. I drank too much caffeine, or I eat too much junk food because I ate Doritos before sleep. So he mentioned about PMS, that you have a hormonal anxiety that's disturb your sleep during period, or you are stressed and you are depressed. So from that was a year ago, and it's helping a lot. And I take Hemohim, and it also help. I take um pomegranate, it's also help, but this one is a champion. So I'm using this for 2 months now, because sometimes Hemohim I forgot. Either I I need to take it in the proper week when the period week, like in that I have to mark the calendar, so I have to take it properly in the proper time. So this one, it helps better, it helped me to sleep better, and also it reduced my tantrums. i really I really lose patient. That was not me. I said, this is not me. What is happening? So it reduced that, and I it also help you calm when on that. I don't know if the ladies experience you are irritated when you have your period is coming, so it really helps me calm. Really irritated with silly things, like dishes is not washed. I can't throw it all out. But nobody's gonna wash it, it's me. No one is washing it anyway. But that's that sign of irritation, it's coming from the mood swing. So this one's really helped me calm. So that's all I can say.
Thank you very much, SM Ruby. Wow, that's really good experience. Thank God I haven't experienced it yet. Maybe soon I will, or probably I could take it now because as you said, you could take it even before you are really experiencing it, isn't it? So it's like a pre-medication, pre-health. So maybe it's time for us to take one so that we don't have to experience it, especially those women who are near the age. All right, we've got Diamond Master Nettie.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Yeah, I use Sapura Queen with Himuhim because I got a problem with my hormones, yeah, as you know. But it helps me, yeah. First, I only use Himuhim, and then when the next order in Korea, I use Sapura Queen, and I use Sapura Queen until now. So that helps with especially my skin. This help as well. I use pomegranate jelly as well and biotin. But Sapura Queen, I never stop using it. I use it all the time. Twice a day, I use in the morning and then before I go to bed. So I got a very good experience with this Sapura Queen.